I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. I hope you guys had a great trading week and had a great weekend. It is late night Sunday right now, well 12 a.m. Monday morning. So let's go ahead and jump into the picks that I had for this week. One of the biggest ones was you guys. I called it out in my trading video earlier last week, and I took that trade, and also JNUG. So first of all, it's my channel right here, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. And also, I have my chat room over here, and the link will be in the description. So I call out all my swing trades, day trades, and long-term investment. And we also have a great chat room going on, people talking to each other and talking about the trades, like in the swing chat, in the day trade chat, and just we also have the options chat. So it's a great way to stay notified on my alerts instantly, and also talk to other people on here. So the first trade I'm going to be looking at is UGAZ. That's UGAZ, and I talked about this in my video before, where I was trying out new methods, and the two new picks were UGAZ and JNUG. So on this one, this was alerted in the chat room at 52-53 area. Look at the winning trades on this one. It was alerted at 53.50 and then averaged down to about 52 area, and then it just broke out after that. So let's look at the chart over here. So I was looking at this when it was bottoming out. When you see something like this, it's bottoming out, goes up, down, it will break out soon. So I see that breakout alert over here and around 55 area, but I got in a little early on here, so I was holding through that up and down, the roller coaster ride there. So I got in at 54.50 and then averaged down 53.50, and then I saw that MACD crossing over. I knew that it was going up, looking at the 180 day on this. So I saw that MACD going up, so I usually wait for that to go up to the green or the positive area before I add or sell for some profits. And that's usually where people should start taking positions, but I got in early over here, so I did get in early. That's why I stayed through that drop, and when it went up, I didn't just sell. I waited a little bit, and I waited for that big pop to sell. So this should be breaking out more. This is just the beginning of that. There's that two bounces, and MACD is in the positive. RSI looks good. When I bought in, it was around over here. It was still negative, so I got in early and I took profits on that swing trade. Swing trades only last for about a couple days. This one lasted for about 4 days, and I added on to my position, so it was another day on that one. But I did sell at the top around 56.50 area. I did call the profits at 56, and I got out on that. So my average was about 53, and I got out after 56, around 56.20, and then I sold some more at 56.50, and I was all out on the position. And the next day it ran to about 57.80 around there, and then it came back down, and then I saw DGAS going up, where there was a big drop that day, and the markets recovered on Friday. So that was a nice little swing trade on that, about $2 to $3 profit potential on that, and you can see that in the winning trades on UGAZ. So that's about $250 based on my entry, but you could have had about $3 potential or more on that one. And the other ones you can see over here, some Badger money called out TQQQ. He got in around 163.95 and sold out 164.50, and I alert here want to take profits in the swing trade alerts, so you guys know you're welcome to take profits then or hold through, but I usually alert it whenever I sell. And the next one was JNUG. I got in about 13.40 in the day trade, and I went to a high of 14.64. That's more than $1 per share potential profit. And SPY was also good, small profit, but it ran up later, but I alerted that profit soon just to cover that area on that one. And looking at the markets right now, let's look at SPY. So looking at the 180 day, it looks pretty good, and I call that breakout in the main chat room. and I saw that coming right over here, so I called it out right here. But I said that when it was going to break out at that level over here at 274 with that 200 SMA line, that it would break out, and that's exactly what happened. So I usually see these coming and I call them out based on my analysis, not just from what I see, but also from technical analysis from the charts. I look at the MACD and RSI, and I saw that breakout coming, and Friday they broke out and they hit that and then went to about 275 and past that. So I see that breakout coming, and it should continue today when markets open on Monday, and we might see another small drop and then should continue from there. I like this movement right now because markets are, if we zoom in over here, they're going up, down. So basically they go up, they have a small pullback, they go back up, and that's good pre-correction price action, because that allows people to invest and swing trade and get in safely, knowing that markets aren't going to go up every day, but they'll come down a little, so you can add and take profits and whatnot. So I like that price movement right now. They go up by 2 to 3 days, come down one day, and then go up again, come down. So I like that price action. So on SPY, that movement's pretty good, and other swing trade wins on here were called out, a lot of them, and also long-term investing alerts. So if you are an investor, then I do have a lot of them on here, and these go based on number 1, 2, 3, 4. That just shows the volatility of each stock. And investment, there will only be 1 and 2, and swing trades, they'll go usually 2 to 4. So if you haven't joined the chat room, the link will be in the description of the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. I usually call out swings like UGAZ and JNUG early on before I get in them, and I usually make a video on them. But if you don't get the chance and I see that the day forming, then I'll call it out in my chat room. So definitely join the chat room to stay notified on the live alerts. I call them out instantly when I took the position, when I got out, if I'm adding, or if I'm setting a stop loss. So it's nice to stay notified on that one, and it's completely free right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Have a great week.